Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find beats on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and or register to Bandlab if you already don't have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. And in the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find beats on Bandlab. So first of all, launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. And on the bottom navigation bar, select the beats from the icon located between the create and library icons. After that, explore the curated catalog of high quality beats. You can preview each beat by tapping the play symbol. Once you find a beat you like, tap the button displaying in the price to purchase and download it. Bandlab offers a variety of beats, so you can find the perfect one for your project. So as you can see, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do that in no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.